Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the senior brother for the television stations when they side of the world. Wazobia Max, UHF 57, Lagos, Port Harcourt, and Abuja. Wazobia TV channel 98 on top of GoTV cable and for internet www.wazobiatv.tv/live. We think they take on our calls as it get to do with the topic when we carry come today based on the suspension of the activities of our soldier people inside the Niger Delta region. We call the ask say okay, as they don't suspend these activities, what will be the way forward from here? Based on the way when we say Nigerians they react to the we shall kind of body language of this government. Would they ask say what will be the things we supposed to put in place so that it no go be like say we talk for suspension or that while like they happen. Now who could be go answer the question as Nigerians they ask them to answer.
Because I be your guest.
No, you answer the question now.
Why would you ask me question?
But you must answer the question.
No.
No.
Why would you answer question?
When you they tell us say, hey, this is what is going on. This is what we are doing. This is what.
Wait till we talk here.
No, be you come here.
They don't suspend the activities of the sect.
After that, what next?
Okay. After that, what's next? Make we see what him did.
Make we see. This is your make. This your make. Who could be this your make we see?
What do you want to hear from me?
I don't want to hear them. No, they tell me say make we see.
Fine. What do you want? Okay, give me a suggestion.
Thank you very much.
Don't be excited because I said make you give me a suggestion. What is that? In the end, the only people who will accept their own, we will not say at least make we hear from government first. No, that don't mean so no feel.
Make we hear.
Make we hear from.
We are waiting to hear.
Waiting they won't talk.
Waiting they won't talk. Which is a we shall. Which is a we shall.
Good morning.
Hello.
Oga King, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, would they hear you, Oga King?
About this Niger Delta of a thing. The only thing I have to say about it is that we all in this country, we need to take it easy. I've been hearing what most of your callers have been saying. They need to take it easy. I think the people from that region should go and ask the governors, the local government chairman, what they've been doing
with their own resources,
with the little money which has been given to them ever since the inception of this democracy. At least when they talk, when they say something, they will say, well, all money is what they use in developing Lagos State. Lagos State is not receiving as much as what
some of these oil producers
and the rest of these people are receiving.
Okay.
And you can see things going on in Lagos State. But why are they not doing this at their own state there?
But
they
then,
have leaders there.
Oga King, a quick one, make I quickly ask this question. I will understand the fact, say yes, say at least people of each state supposed hold their governors accountable for anything will happen. Make also bring from this angle. If, for instance, over time, years back, they make promises where they come from the federal level, say they will do this thing, they will address the matter of Niger Delta, they will ensure they clean up the land. And you come and say, that same thing, just like now a recycled statement every time, what do they hear? They notice say, it is enough for people to even react, to ask questions, to somehow vex, to ask questions. So waiting, so far we don't hear, but we never see anything.
The only question I'll ask you, for that thing you asked me is that, is Nigeria 1 year old?
Okay.
Because this government has only been 1 year old. Is Nigeria 1 year old today?
Would they hear you?
This thing has been going on for long. Why have they not been asking this? And why were they quiet in the last dispensation? That is last government. They are only creating problems for themselves by talking to these militants. That's how I feel. They are creating warlords in this zone, which will be a problem. And I pray it will not consume the region.
Nobody pray for that one.
Talk with the elder and the citizen of the region, not militants, not criminals. That is where I see all these things.
Okay. Ogaki, thank you very much for that. Thank you very, very much for that contribution. And going by what you talk, the issue of talking to the
this Ogaki supposed the committee because the way we don't address this issue is clear. And that's why I'm asking people like you to tell us plan. See, somebody just call us now, don't tell us the whole plan. And you are here coming to tell me, Ogaki, thank you. You won't carry the idea when you talk, give us. When your people appear like they have no idea. They have no idea. Class captain calling themselves this thing.
Who are these people that have no idea?
We got another caller.
You go answer. Who are these? You go talk about.
Michael, don't disturb me. Okay, Michael, make this 6-0.
6-0.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Michael.
Oga Michael, good morning.
People of Niger Delta, they are being greedy. in the sense that they have governors in that state. Since they have been taking allocations, what are they allocating for? As of this morning, somebody speak with one of the staff in Chevron that over 2,000 people of that same region, they are being paid on a daily basis. Since they've started this problem, they have not been paid. Who are they suffering? They're also suffering their people also. So this government is just a year old. And since it's going to, and we are moving on a bitter change. Good things does not come easy. Let's give this government a chance to flow. If there's a proper implementation in the budget, we will see all these people of Niger Delta, all their representatives from the Senate, from the House of Rep, Councillor, Chairman, because they are driving big cars. All the people in the region, they don't see the detail of democracy. Because this government talks, say, he want to implement all the money being spent. He want to know how the money is being spent. That's why all of them are shouting now. They are suffering the whole 36 states because of few people from Niger Delta. Let us be realistic. It's just a year old of the government. Don't let us argue on what does not matter. Let's pray for them to do things the normal way.
Oga Michael, thank you very much. This is where you talk now. You don't touch my heart. Oga Michael and Oga Gin, two of them, I put them in my own committee. And I believe that these people...
We get another caller right now. We get another caller right now. Good morning.
You see as your body don't cool now.
But I think we no what they talk about here. Not to find solution. Oga Fred, good morning. They can't give me count. Fred, good morning.
How will it be good morning for Oga Fred? When you see the way you take even greeter, see the way you take even greeter.
Oga Fred, they call us now. No. Whether that
who could be? You don't already clear. Say no plan. Like what I said. Oga Fred, good morning. Welcome to Acid Hot. Oga Fred, good morning. Thank you for your patience. That's your next plan. When you greet somebody, you move on. Oga Fred, good morning. You dey do one like this. You dey do one like this. Abijah, you dey control. Samurai, you dey fight sword. See what Oga Michael and Oga Kin don't talk. We don't talk, say, make our soldier people suspend their activities. The leaders in the Niger Delta, let them become more responsible for what is going on in the Niger Delta. Let them go and speak to their people. Let them begin to act. Let us hold this country as one. See plan.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Bobby.
Shukudi, take am easy.
Thank you very much, Oga Bobby. I dey vex.
Make you take am easy for yourself. No be where I dey.
Shukudi. Take am easy.
Now Ukubi, come down. They threaten me because I'm fighting for Nigerians. You almost push me down.
Your example where you always use that they make for Ukubi. So they make Ukubi they are annoying. So now they use example for that again.
Thank you very much.
So me my
I don't relax.
First of all, get one of the caller when call say more blame the state governor and the local government. I wish it's true. Every allocation when they relocate to every areas of the Niger Delta, any development will not come. They should hold the states responsible and your local government. You understand me? Now? Because those are the people who want to say they represent you.
The people directly,
as
yes.
People. So you're supposed to hold them responsible for everything when they happen. So nobody go hold the federal government responsible for your state. So even the salary will not pay teachers, so now state you're supposed to hold, not the federal government. Because not the federal government, they pay them. Federal government don't really locate money to them. So now your state will not repay you own money. You as a civil servant when they work for the state, now the state you go hold, not the federal government. You see answer. So they blame people for unnecessary blame. Blame the right people. You get me? Because those are the things that want people get to understand. Nigerians, when they understand it, they put everything in federal government. If they share and say, okay, every state, now what state they produce, now they get, you go back and now the same thing will still happen.
True.
So not the federal government will get to the blame. Now state. The only thing when I go blame for federal government, now they say, those clean up of the
regions.
The creek and the rivers, when they say, oh yeah, don't spill all over. Now the cleaning out, you go blame the federal government for. Because those are the things where the federal government need to hold responsible for.
Oga Bobby,
thank you
now
very,
you be
very
the third
much.
person wey
Thank
dey
you
my
very,
own
very,
committee.
very, very much
My own committee.
For being a true Nigerian, where they come from Amsterdam. We get Madam Ngozi. They call us from IKD. That is from Ikorodu. Good morning.
No, good morning. I'm calling from Ojodu.
rather.
Why will you call?
Yes.
How will you call her, madam?
Yes,
Do you know
my
she's
own
a young lady?
contribution on the program is
Yes.
about people saying that this particular government has come to power for just 1 year. Yes, it is true that the government has just come to power for just 1 year. But the man at the helm of affair, Mr. President Buhari, has been in government for 32 years. He worked under Abacha as the chairman of the Petroleum
PTF,
Trust
yeah.
Fund. Concerning anything that has to do with oil in the Niger Delta, he has been part of it. He was president for 2 years. 30 years or 32 years ago. So when people say he had just come to power for just 1 year, it pains me. This man has been part of government since 32 years. That is all I have to say. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Madam Ngozi, for that contribution. We get another caller right now. Good morning. Okay, make we quickly do it. Make we quickly go for this break. When we come back, we go address all the matters where our callers them don't table down. Will they come? Yes, we don't enter the final lap of our program as the hot, and then the matter we talk about the Niger Delta matter and the way forward following the suspension of fights where the federal government don't put to that is against the militants we did there, and they would also collect calls from different people, and we'd also drop their own view on top of this matter. We'd also drop their own suggestion on top of how we move forward, and then quickly make also react to some of these calls we will collect. And people like Akin and Michael and Oga Bobby said something where we say, if we look at him, somehow, it did now something where we say, yes, it did very true. He said something about, say, okay, each state will come from this particular region, or rather, every state in Nigeria, they do it, they collect what they call allocation every month. And they collect your allocation based on waiting they produce for your state. Automatically, what you mean, we say, at least, all producing states could they collect something where we say they much more huge than a couple of other states. The question now is, okay, why we say we not fit start from the grassroots or probably from our home? They ask questions. Make we ask questions from the local government. Say, okay, the money, the allocation we don't collect from the state government. How far? What you don't can do? Make we see result. Then if you don't see result, make we carry and go to the state level. Then which of course is this thing the government. From there, we go feel know at least the issue of governance say now also they involved. They also know what they happen for na area. So at least these three things where Oga Akin, Michael, and Oga Bobby talk. Now in that areas where we say we also take this thing to also assess, okay, make we know how far we go from this end.
We get Oga Kennedy. Oga Kennedy, they call us from Lekki.
Oga
Kennedy don't come out for our telephone lines.
So
if you get the opportunity to call us back, try call us back, make you make your contribution. It go good, make we look these particular issues well, and just like waiting some of our callers, them don't talk. If we check how much a lot of our states them don't receive every month for several years, it is very pitiable say we did the kind condition what we did today. This one will be about whether this person are PDP or this one are APC. If person get plan when we say he won't do am to move this country forward or move the state when they govern forward, he go show. No be waiting that they go university go learn. If you dey collect money when they enter into billion, and you don't get anything to show for them after 16 years of uninterrupted democratic rule, now we say wahala don dey inside this our country. We get Oga Paul. Oga Paul, they call us from Aja inside Lagos State. Oga Paul, welcome to our City Hot.
Good morning, Oga Nkubi and Oga
Paul,
Chiku.
good morning.
I want to ask Oga Nkubi one question.
I
know I no get time. Oga Nkubi, if you dey give money for school fees every year, and after each year, you say your pikin no dey pay that school fees, wetin you go do?
Now to at least address the key problem, why they pay, and then probably they take the money too.
Okay. So if federal government they give allocation to states every year, and this problem still they continue every year. Now this current government don't talk say they want to tackle corruption. If they hold this allocation, tell people say every year, because I don't go to my local government, I don't ask my local government he give me instance. He said they never give him your own allocation.
Okay.
And when you ask back to government, they know they reply to you. So if your local government, they give you details of your own side, and federal government, know they give you details of their own side, who you go believe?
Paul.
Now,
okay.
Right now, wetin I dey talk? Federal government now don't say make the fire for Niger
that
Delta.
area, yes.
But notice one thing. Now the acting president make this comment. When president go come back, I pray say may he no reverse.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Very
so
true.
if they bring solution, make they bring quick with the suggestion when they did. Maybe they don't they talk say make they ceasefire. For now, no solution.
Very,
They
very
will
true.
go back to where they for stop.
Oga Paul,
Paul,
thank you very much for
very
this
much.
important contribution. We get Oga Samali. Oga Samali, they call us from Ojobi.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. We dey greet you, Oga Samali.
Good morning.
We
They
dey
hear
greet
you.
you.
They hear
Hello
you.
to now. The first question, the issue of dropping arms. Me, I don't support them because then they destroy part line.
Okay.
The reason we say now, now the only thing we get for this country. If we call this round, where we will go Niger, go borrow money. Then be given to state all along. The question is, what are they be doing with the money?
Okay.
I watched a Wicked the other day for TV. He said the former government was collecting 70 billion
Naira.
monthly. His own now is 3 billion. So that government, what does he do with when they go work a salary? My brother, it gets to be for this country. Awala. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Oga Samali. We get Oga Okay, quickly from Calabar. Welcome to our city hot.
Good morning, my two brothers. Where Sabi well.
Good morning,
Greet you,
Oga.
Oga
Okay.
They to wake up for now.
They greet you too.
My voice not too clear, but I beg, and I will just
Okay.
manage me.
Okay.
Hello.
They hear you. They hear you.
It always they hurt me. Say, I would they hear say people away from Nigeria they go peacekeeping for outside country. Things go happen for other country. Nigerians go hear say Nigerians they go there
Send
go keep
people,
peace.
yes, to
Go
go,
keep
yeah.
peace. But the little one, the small one, we
They
just
do,
the
yeah.
warriors here. We know if you call round table, sit down together, put sentiment aside, ethnic group aside, religion aside, and make things work out for Nigeria. It hurt me. This one no be big deal. They know how they supposed to trash this thing out. The sentiments and then be waiting to kill Nigeria. I pray that Nigeria will not spoil.
Oga Okay, we
Thank
say
you
amen
very,
to this
very
your
much.
particular prayer. The emotion when even there your voice really shows say the way when the situation there, the thing they dey somehow. We get our final caller on top of the telephone line before we wrap up the show for today. Welcome to our city hot.
Emmanuel. Emmanuel, good morning. Emmanuel, you there?
Bless Oga Emmanuel, no dey there. Our people when they for us, it go dey very, very important. Make we wrap up the show with this particular talk. This will make everybody understand. Now, the interest of the people when they the country, now in the government supposed carry for head because the mandate when the people give the government now to serve them and ensure say things dey in order. Now, government no know everything pass, even though they're in the position of to do the right thing. They fit consult people, they fit ask questions. The problem when they face for the Niger Delta, no be today this particular one start. If we even talk, say, okay, make we go back to the days of them, Isaac, Atakaboro, Kensaro, Wiwa, make we leave, make we start from 1999 with what happened for Ogoni land, reach this 2016 when they experience. So, it good make we dey get better plan, so that when we start from here, stop this one, the thing no go grow again like pimple or grow again like boil, so that permanently in the long run, we go find permanent solution to our problem. And if permanent solution to our problem, now we as a people go do am. Nobody go come from America or Germany or Russia come help us solve our own problem. Our problem, and now we go solve am. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come out smoke. We could be the way we take end this program now. Just leave it like that. And you need to apologize for coming down from your chair in the first place.
Tomorrow when we will come again.
In the first place, because I can take this thing personal. I can take this thing personal with
stand up
you.
now.
I can take it personal with
if
you.
you get delivered,
How will
stand
you
up.
come down from chair and be threatening me?
If I come down, it concern you.
Why you gonna come?
It is my
why
coming
you,
down.
Why you
It
come
is my
near me?
coming down. I
Why
have
you
every right
come-
to come down.
You are raising
Not
your
your-
voice.
not your coming-
You are raising your voice.
Let me come.
Yes.